All right, this 1972 Cadillac has new power steering lines, a brand new alternator, putting in a brand new battery, brand new brake master cylinder. So when it goes to the new owner, it's going to be basically a turnkey operation. It's just all going to be detailed and cleaned as well before I put it on the auction. But now we're going to take a video of the gas tank situation. Hold on tight. Welcome back, February 12th or something for the 72 Cadillac update. And this is the original 72 Cadillac gas tank. Sending unit still in it. It's leaking, and they want over $1,000 to recondition it and make it good again. And new ones not available. They're on back order. The only one that has any in stock is Cadillac, and their prices are too much for what I want to spend. So I have this beautiful 68 gas tank. It's 64 to 68 Cadillac gas tank in beautiful condition. So my welder friend is going to help me custom fabricate straps that will work on a 68 gas tank for a 72 sedan DeVille. So this is where we're at right now, sizing it up to see how it's going to fit, and it will fit. I have to just put a bit of an elbow in the filler neck, but you still go down, no problem. So you can kind of see the alignment of the filler neck here and into where it starts up there. So again, nothing more than just putting an elbow in the filler neck itself, and it will work fine. So I have an excellent gas tank for the 72, and the welding is still ongoing, but we will continue to show you guys the progress as it continues. And thank you all for watching, and we will see you all down the road.